G'day guys, Scott from FatB Trader here. Just want to bring you a quick video update on the trades we've been doing on the Euro US dollar the last few days. As you can see, we're up on the trade, which is great, but let's actually go back and have a look to see what we're actually looking at and why we took this particular trade. So if you actually go back to the daily chart, you can see the Euro is a fairly substantial downtrend still. Nothing's really changed there. You can see basically it's just still going down basically. 4 hours much the same. The 1 hour really shows it quite nicely. So we actually took our first trade against this descending trend line, and you can see where our stop zones essentially are. They're essentially above this prior high here. Now it's tested it a couple of times, but it's failed on both attempts. And I mean, this is this is the dead giveaway here. This sort of candle basically says people are just getting suckered in up here, and the professionals are having a field day. So having an actual taking a trade against there doesn't present us with a lot of risk. Now taking the trade against here didn't present us with a lot of risk, about 50 pips risk, and taking a secondary trade, which we did right on the edge of the existing condition, didn't actually present us any risk at all. I mean, it presented us about 10 points of risk, which, you know, more often than not, when you take a trade on the extreme edge of the existing condition, you know, you will actually you will get a very profitable trade out of it. I mean, that's where the most profitable trades are. The great thing about trading at this level is you know you're wrong very quickly as well. So if this had have shot up here, you know, we would have just closed both trades out. But this presented another opportunity to take the average higher. So obviously we started our trade here, and when we took a second sell trade at this level, it basically averaged our position up to around the 109.90 level. So it's getting pretty close to our target, our original target. Now you can see where it's actually bouncing around at the moment. It's actually very, very close to this ascending trend line. Now this is very short term, okay, but you're still going to get some decent reaction off it. And given the daily pivot is actually up around the 109.27 level, I'm thinking about closing this trade out at this point, because obviously, you know, we've done pretty well out of it. We're up 7 at the moment, and this position here, if I just go back to my 5-minute chart on my regular template, you can see that this is presenting my 1, 2, 3 trade. So basically, good level of support, pivot above it, and 3-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So if you have a look at this here, I'm actually pretty tempted to sell everything off, take a long for a 50-point upside with essentially a 15-point stop, or if we go 20-point stop, we're still going to meet that minimum 2-to-1. So that's my thoughts, guys. I'm actually obviously still bearish the Euro USD, but I'm thinking we're going to see a bounce up to this level here before heading lower. So that's what I'm thinking. And while I've got you here, let's just actually go ahead and close all of these trades down. Where is the close all? Okay, so we've averaged 109 points on both trades, which is awesome. That's pretty much where we wanted to get to. But again, look, it's Friday. Crazy things happen Friday. I really don't want to take the risk. So hope that all makes sense, guys. If you've got any questions, email me. Otherwise, till next time.